Hi, welcome to Arlo Labs. I'm Bridget, and today we're setting up your Arlo Essential Indoor Camera 3rd Gen plugin. This camera offers a ton of flexibility. Whether you need it on a table, shelf, or mounted on a wall, it's ready to report for duty. First, bring your camera to the location where you'll be using it. Just make sure there's an electrical outlet within reach. Now, let's plug it in and get started. To get the most out of your experience, now's the perfect time to download the Arlo Secure app and set up an account. You can do this by scanning the QR code in the Quick Start Guide. If you already have an Arlo account, that's great. That QR code will take you right to your new camera setup page in the app. Just double check that your app is up to date and you'll be ready to go. All right, time to connect. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your phone and then jump into the Arlo Secure app. Go to Devices, then tap that plus icon in the upper right corner. Select Cameras, Essential Series, and here's the important bit. Tap the Plug-in Cameras tab at the top. Then select Indoor Camera 3rd Gen. Now we're going to pair your camera with your phone. Press and hold the pairing button on top of the camera for up to 3 seconds until the LED is flashing blue. The app will detect your camera automatically. Once you're synced up, the app will walk you through the steps for connecting your camera to the Wi-Fi network. When you're online, go ahead and name your camera, and let Arlo check for any firmware updates. This may take a few minutes, so feel free to pause this video while it updates and come back when it's ready. Otherwise, if you have multiple cameras you'd like to onboard, feel free to select Update in Background. Then start this process again for your next camera. Now that you're up to date, you're ready to install. Make sure your camera has an unobstructed view and a strong Wi-Fi signal for the best experience. You can always check your Wi-Fi signal strength in the app to be sure. If you're placing your camera on a flat surface, you're all set. Go ahead and adjust your camera for the perfect view. If you're mounting your camera, be sure to follow along in the app for detailed step-by-step instructions. First, securely anchor the wall plate where you want it, using the included hardware. Make sure that the arrow on the wall plate is pointing up. Next, you're going to unscrew the mount from the bottom of the camera and screw it into the hole on the back of the camera. Turn the mount so that the arrow on the bottom of the mount points the same way as the one on the wall plate. Now, align the camera mount with the wall plate and slide it down to lock it into place. Finally, hold the mount and rotate the camera to capture the perfect angle. At Arlo Labs, we try to ensure your setup is smooth sailing, but just in case, here are a few troubleshooting tips. Getting the right model is step 1. You want to select Cameras, Essential Series, and then be sure to select Plug-in Cameras on the tab up top. Don't miss that step. From the list of plug-in cameras, select Indoor Camera 3rd Gen. If your phone won't connect to the camera, it's probably the Bluetooth. First, check your phone's settings menu to ensure Bluetooth is on, and then make sure the Arlo Secure app has the Bluetooth permissions it needs. If you're having trouble getting on your Wi-Fi, you're not alone. Here's the solve. First, double-check you've got the right network, and it never hurts to double-check you've got the right password too. If you don't know your Wi-Fi password, click the Locate My Password button for help copying your password from your phone settings. If you're still struggling, you might be too far away from your router. You can always check the signal strength inside the Arlo app. That's what it's there for. Remember, a poor Wi-Fi signal can impact video quality, so make sure your connection is strong. One more pro tip on camera placement. When you find your perfect spot to monitor, avoid aiming the camera through glass. Even squeaky clean windows mess with motion detection. Now that your camera's mounted and ready to go, let's set up your free trial of Arlo Secure so you can get the full Arlo experience. This is a subscription-based service that enhances everything about your Arlo security system with AI-powered intelligence. You get smarter notifications with AI recognition for known people, vehicles, and deliveries, which include a convenient thumbnail to preview the event. You can also look back at past events with cloud recording and 60 days of video history. Arlo Secure can even tell you if it recognizes worrisome sounds, like glass breaking, dogs barking, or gunshots. If there ever is an emergency, you get one-touch access to trigger emergency response when seconds count. It's the most advanced way to stay secure, and it's free to try. Just follow the easy setup process in the app. Once your camera is set up, here are a couple of tips for a happy ownership experience. First, if you're getting too many notifications and you have an Arlo Secure plan, you can easily adjust activity zones for your camera, so you only get alerts for the areas you want. Just select zones in your camera settings. Another good tip, if you need to mute alerts temporarily while you're in the camera's view, you can hold down an incoming alert and select mute notifications right from your phone's lock screen. And with that, you should be up and running. But if you're still stuck, don't hesitate to reach out to us. That's what we're here for. At Arlo, your privacy isn't just a feature, it's a promise. Our privacy pledge puts you in full control of your experience, personal data, information, and video history. From setup to protection to privacy, our goal is simple: to make things easy for you and take care of you right from the start. So, that's it. You're up and running. Now you're ready to protect your everything. Thanks for watching. Bye.